dear students, how are you? I hope you are doing better. Here in continuation of the part, this is the preparation of aldehyde and ketones. Here we will take this one, preparation of aldehyde from geminaldiol. If we are having these types of the alcohol, that is nothing but one hydroxy 1,2 dihydroxyethane, it is reacted with what? HiO4. Hydroiodic acid, or instead of hydroiodic acid we can take what? HiO4 or lead tetra Pb lead tetra acetate. So these types of the reagents are used for this for the oxidation of geminaldiol. So this is the particularly geminaldiol, and this is the geminaldiol 2. This types of the bond is break, and this formation of Sc double bond OH. This is what again here C double bond OH. This is the formation of 2 moles of what? Formaldehyde. Formation of 2 mole of formaldehyde is nothing but methanol. What can I say? Methanol. So that is formation of 2 mole of methanol or formaldehyde by using what? HiO4 or lead tetra acetate. Here, this is what one of the preparation method. Simple. This is the oxidation of the geminaldiol to what? Aldehyde. Again, we are having this another types of the reactant. For example, we are on these types of the reactant. This is nothing but water. This water butane. Again, this is the butter 2,3 diol. This but 2,3 diol, it is used. It is reacted with what? Hydroiodic acid, HiO4 or lead tetra acetate, PbOAC taken 4 times. So formation of this is C double bond CH3 C double bond OH. CH3 C double bond OH. This is formation of what? Acetaldehyde. It is formation of what? Acetaldehyde. This is 2 mole of acetaldehyde is obtained starting from butane 2,3 diol. Okay. So this is again one of the preparation methods, or this is what oxidation of this is the geminaldiol. Oxidation of geminaldiol to aldehyde. This is what again the starting reactant molecules. If we are having this is nothing but what? Glycerol or glycerin. This is nothing but what? Glycerol or glycerin. We can show this is the glycerin. It is reacted with what? Hydroiodic acid. This is what? How many hydroiodic acid you can take? This is the 2 mole of hydroiodic acid is used here. How many? 2 mole of hydroiodic acid is used here. So why? Because of there is what? 2 bond is break between this one. This what? Primary alcohol. This is primary alcohol. This primary alcohol gives what? Sc double bond OH. Again what? This again primary alcohol gives what? Formaldehyde. This formation of the formaldehyde. This gives the formaldehyde. What I am saying is what? Formation of these 2 mole of formaldehyde. यहाँ पे क्या होगा? 2 mole of formaldehyde मिलेगा. Formaldehyde. Formation of formaldehyde. Again, this 1 mole of this formic acid. C double bond OOH. This is formation of what? Formic acid. This is formation of what? Formic acid. This is formation of formaldehyde and formic acid by using the hydroiodic acid. Okay, this is one of the preparation methods of aldehyde. This may be formaldehyde as well as what? Again here formic acid is there. If we are having this is the C double bond O, and this is CH2OH, and this CH2OH is here. So such types of the reactant molecule is carbonyl and water aldehyde. Again use this is what? 2 mole of HiO4 hydroiodic acid. Then whatever formation of it gives the primary alcohol. It gives the formaldehyde. Primary alcohol gives formaldehyde, and this ketone gives what? Here this is the formation of here carbon dioxide. This is most important method for the preparation of this formaldehyde and carbon dioxide. Again, if you can take this is one another types of the reactant molecules. For example, if we are having this is the types of the compound. This is what a cyclohexane 1,2 diol. This is the cyclohexane 1,2 diol. This is what a cyclohex 1,2 diol. This cyclohex 1,2 diol is which is reacted with the hydroiodic acid HiO4. Then formation of what? These types of the bond is break. Here formation of here C double bond O, and this is a C double bond O. This is formation of the diol. This formation of what diol? So I'm writing this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 carbon atom. This is nothing but 1, 2, 3, 4. Here the C double bond OH 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and this 6. This 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This formation of this types of the compound is what? C double bond OH. This aldehyde and this one is what? Aldehyde. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here formation of the diol compound. It is nothing but what? Aldehyde. Okay. So another types of if you are to one of the reactor molecule, this is what? This is the trihydroxy. This is hexahydroxy. This is nothing but what? Hexadiol is here. This is nothing but geminal diol. Again you can react with how many moles? This you can react with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 mole of hydriodic acid. 6 mole of hydriodic acid in formation of water. 6 mole of C double bond OH. Here formation of formic acid. Here formation of what? Formic acid. How many mole? With 6 mole of formic acid is obtained by using such types of the reactor molecules. Okay, this is one of the preparation methods, or this is the preparation methods of what? Aldehyde starting from geminal diol. यहाँ पे इसकी कंडीशन क्या है? geminal diol होना चाहिए. It may be aliphatic as well as it may be aliphatic, cyclic aliphatic as well as acyclic aliphatic. So that is formation of always aldehyde.